Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. And we can see, of course, on the 1 hour chart today, we saw a drop for Bitcoin after a potential 1, 2, 3 wave 4 sideways, wave 5 finishing wave 1 here. And we see, of course, followed by an impulse toward the downside here, potential wave A, B, and a C, that it might unfold, of course, for a wave 2. Can be the wave 2, of course, deeper here, reaching the green box, the normal box that we always look for in a wave 2. Basically, what we can see here also on the 15-minute chart, of course, we can see an impulse unfolding somehow from this top exactly as a wave 1, 2, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 for a wave 3. Currently, you're looking at a wave 4 and a 5 still unfolding towards the downside as a wave A. And that means that as this wave A as an impulse is not yet 100% finished yet. We're still looking for a potential A, B, and a C. After all, retracement for wave B and then wave C toward the downside. Now, of course, we're gonna test this area and we see, of course, if there is a potential for continuation for higher here. Unless we test more weakness and we take the 886, that means we might drive again deeper, and following this channel here that we have, of course, we might, of course, reach this blue channel lower part again before we move up towards the upside again. To be a little bit more here, like much more insightful, if we are bearish, if there is a bearish scenario like a 1, 2 here, another 1, 2 again, and we can see here exactly that you have kind of 3 ways which is interrupted. So you have here a kind of like a double 1, 2s. Can be, of course, possible, but after this we didn't saw any continuation. We saw 3 ways toward the downside, 3 ways up again, and of course very close to the 886 here, which of course lower the possibility, and therefore, of course, there is no really a potential of bearish yet. It's still simply ranging correctively before we move toward the upside until we find a good confidence psychology potentially inside this area. Now, of course, don't forget that this can be an impulse, but at the same time can be something corrective, right? Can be kind of like A, B, and a C. So potentially can, of course, take the low in case, of course, we see more signal of weakness here, and therefore, of course, we might start to, okay, if we see weakness, therefore, of course, we might take the low still, and then we estimate if we move towards the upside. But currently, priority is for the 1, 2 to be tested, because, of course, here we took the 886, but it's never been a rule. It's not an invalidation. It can be, of course, an impulse after it for wave 3, and obviously this is a sideways wave 4 and followed by a wave 5. So, of course, we have to test this area. It's always in priority, and of course, we take it from there. That was it for Bitcoin for today. For the daily close, we're gonna see tomorrow a new trading day, and we'll see, of course, what's gonna happen. I wish you to have a nice eve and trade safe always. See you in the next one. Bye bye.